Arabia Snooker Masters! Yes! There we go, looking out of 10. And when we go live, you're going to give me 10 out of 10. But ladies and gentlemen, please make sure your mobile phones are off or on silent. Please keep...
After 143 matches, it is time for the final session of the final match of the Saudi Arabia Snooker Masters 2025. A tournament that's seen everything from the sublime to the ridiculous, and that's just yesterday evening alone. But tonight, this phase boasts a beautiful breadth of brick-building behemoths. It's Ronnie O'Sullivan versus Neil Robertson for 500 big ones. Game on.
I'm going to decide to help any over.
Inspirational player. We've seen that against John McGill when he was 5-2 down, when he was 6-3 down, or 5-3 down against Wilson to come back. He came back strong, and it was just something that clicked. He needs something to click tonight, you know. And if he comes out forward in this first frame, you know, wins the frame.
أهلا وسهلا ومساء الخير. Welcome back to the final of the Saudi Arabia Snooker Masters! The thunder from down under rumbled in this afternoon session, but will the rocket reignite tonight? £500,000 and the trophy on the line. It's time to get our players into the arena. Up first, let's hear it for Neil Robertson.